Once your background screening is completed, you're ready to register for your referee course. Log in to the U.S. Soccer Learning Center and get to the Available Courses page. There you will see a tab for Grassroots Recertifying Referees. It's just above the supplemental courses. Click on it and a page will open with a general overview of requirements. Toward the upper right of the page is a red link to see all the available recertifying referee courses. That opens the list of all the available courses for you. At the top of this page, make sure it says Illinois in the location box. If not, select Illinois. If you are from Northern Illinois or the Chicago metropolitan area, find the Chicagoland and Northern Illinois course. It has a January 15th, 2020 date on it. This is the only course you should register for. If you are not from Northern Illinois or the Chicago area, look down the list for a location and time that works for you. For this year, the process is a bit different if you are in the Chicago area. If the registration button is green, it is open for registration. Now, for our Downstate Recertifying Referees only, click on Course Details for the course location and date that works for you. You now have information for that specific course and location on the page. Note at the bottom of that page, the online assignments must be completed 1 week prior to the in-person meeting. For administrative reasons, this is necessary this year. There will be 4 online assignments to complete, one of which is Safe Sport Training. Hopefully, you've already completed that one. To register for the course, click the Register and Pay link. Then complete the payment information page. Once completed, you will be registered for your Recertifying Grassroots Referee course. Congratulations! You're ready to start your training for 2020. You access your online recertification course from the My Courses tab. Once you log in, click Go to Classroom. Once inside the course, the tab near the top, which says Course Details, can expand to show other information and resources. The Assignments tab is where you will find the online assignments that you need to complete 1 week prior to your in-person meeting. Those assignments include the online Grassroots Referee course, a quiz, Introduction to Safe and Healthy Playing Environments, and Safe Sport. Altogether, they will take about 5.5 hours to complete. You do not need to complete them all in one sitting. You can pause the learning and return to it. Just don't pause in the middle of a video. The online Grassroots Referee course is the longest component at about 4 hours. It has replaced our longer in-person meetings from prior years. You can access the online course you are registered in at any time from your My Courses tab inside the Learning Center. It will also show the status of your course. Once you've completed all the online assignments and attended the in-person meeting, you will have completed the course. You will receive an email from U.S. Soccer with your completion certificate, and your badge will be mailed to you from the ISRC if you did not receive one at your in-person meeting. You are now on the path to becoming a recertified soccer referee in Illinois. Complete the online assignments, attend your in-person meeting, and you'll be all set for 2020. I know it's been a bit of a journey, and there's been some confusion, and the path has twists and turns this year. We thank you for your patience. With all that behind you, now the fun begins. We can't wait to see you on the fields, along with thousands of other Illinois referees. Welcome to the best seat at the soccer game.